Are you constantly missing important appointments or events because your alarm volume just isn't loud enough? Then in this video, I'll show you how you can easily increase your iPhone alarm volume sound so you can easily hear them in the morning when you wake up or whenever you need your alarm for. This will work on any iPhone version, so if you have an older iPhone you can follow the steps. Let's open our settings, and then click on the sounds and haptics. In here, we can adjust to volume of our ringtone and alert volume. Drag the slider from left to right in order to increase your volume and adjust it to your liking. You can drag it all the way to the right in order to have the maximum volume. And then if you enable this change with buttons option, then you can adjust your iPhone alarm volume using your phone's physical buttons. If your alarm volume is still low, then your alarm sound isn't set correctly. You want to go over to your clock app and open the alarm section. Now we want to select an alarm where we want to increase the volume, so tap on the edit button and tap on the alarm. When you open this editor, click on the sound button. And then select any of the ringtones that you want to use for your alarm. Maybe this was set to none for you and that's why you didn't hear your alarm. And that's how you can increase the volume, everyone. If this video helped you out, then leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next one.